back to another video. I am so super excited for this one because I love stationery. I'm gonna be moving out to another continent very soon. I'm going from Mumbai, India to New York, United States. Yes, I'm super excited. I'm starting another school year, and with another school year comes stationery haul. Like when I was a kid, I used to love watching these videos. I still do because I like seeing what kinds of different stationery and things people are buying. And this video is just like one part of like a bombardment of things that I have bought so far. Things for the room, things clothing wise, for the weather change and all of that. There's going to be a lot of these videos coming up, so if you like them, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications so that you can get to know when those videos are out and you can see them. And let's get started. Okay, so clutter. There's a lot of things around me right now. Let's start with the most important one, something that I ordered online from Amazon, which is my 2021 planner. So basically, if you guys saw my planner video, which hopefully I will link somewhere if I don't forget, in that I was using a different planner and I provided the link in the description for a different planner, but that planner got over a couple of days ago. So my life is basically a few scrabbles of paper now. I will be using this planner and it's the cutest thing ever. It says live what you love, and this is not even like the planner. Like the company was so nice. They packaged it properly so that, you know, when your orders come, they won't get like the paper or like the side won't get crumpled. So they put it in this box, and then here is the actual planner. It's from this company called Tiny Change, and I will link it if I find it online for you guys. And it says a 2021 planner, and I already started filling it out. So it says my name and my contact details over there, and it starts with this cute little thing which says 10 planning tips for 2021. So it's actually starting off with some motivation, so I can read this every single day that I'm not motivated to work. And then it has like the whole calendar overview, and then it has everything. This planner has everything. It has birthdays and anniversaries, which I filled out. Great thing for me because I don't remember anyone's birthdays. And then it also has a page for useful contacts and quick references. And it has a 2021 vision board with big goals for 2021. So you can always look back on them and see what you've achieved and how far you want to go. Then, as you guys know from my previous videos, I maintain a journal. So this year I bought this very small little dark pinkish magentish color, not journal, it's just like a book with like plain lined pages, and it's small and nice, and I can use it and take it with me wherever I want to with like page markers. Super useful, so you don't have to flick through bunches of pages, especially on those emotional days when you're writing for like pages on end.
No, I don't do that.
I write like 5 lines every day, but still. Nice journal. I got this from a local store. Then this is something that I bought when NYU started my first semester, but I found it really helpful. So I'm going to show it to you guys so that you guys can plan well. This. It's actually this thingy, this folder thingy is actually in one of my thumbnails for one of my videos. And yes, it's very handy. Firstly, it's colorful. I like colorful things. I don't like just black and white things. Secondly, you can like keep it on your desk like this, or you can just like compress it and it'll stick there and stay there, and you can just mark all your different subjects or like the different things you want to use it for. And it is very spacious inside as well, so you can just like slide like a bunch of papers in it. And if you like printing out things and you're like more of like a writing person, which is me basically, keeping a folder is handy, and because everything fits into one, and you can also carry it with these like carry thingies. I think this is a good bet for anybody out there. This is also from, oh no, I think this was from Amazon. Again, I will link it if I can find it. Notebooks. So notebooks, I bought new ones because new semester, new subjects. the whole shebang. So this is the notebook which I got from a local store. It has like a bunch of drawings. Yeah, drawings. It's quite thin, as you can see, and I wanted a thin one because the ones that I used this semester were like really thick and they were really burdensome, and I didn't even use all the pages in them. I will obviously be using those pages now for something else. I don't want to waste them. But if I guess your course just lasts for a semester, buy a notebook which is like a 7-subject notebook, or like thin ones. I just like to categorize things, which is why I got different notebooks for different subjects. It's a lined notebook. I like using lined paper, and it also has a margin for indexing, which I find super helpful, especially when I'm taking lengthy notes in a long lecture. And finally, main thing, spiral bound. All my things like my planner, my notebooks have to be spiral bound. They're so much easier to handle. Since I have 4 subjects this semester, I got the same in different colors. I would actually be fine with the same color, but my dad went shopping with me and he's more colorful than I am, so he suggested that I take bright colors and different colors. So there you go. After my notebooks are pretty basic things like this Staedtler Lumo color permanent marker, which you can use for CDs, labeling boxes, all of that. And I think it says something in French. Oh no, it says made in Germany, so it won't be French. Okay, it's basically just this sort of permanent marker, and it's thin. I like thin permanent markers. And these pens. Okay, I just bought like 2 black, because black is what I write all my notes with. I don't use any other color, and I always use these like Uniball pens, and I always use gel pens. I don't like the other non-gel ones. And these 3, blue, green and red, are for like marking, highlighting, like noting down important things, any doubts, any questions. And then your lifesavers along with your planner, your post-it notes. Yep, I got these pretty basic simple post-it notes which I even got last semester. Blue, lavender, orange, pink. The set with like 2 sets of different colored page markers, because you need them if you have like textbooks or long lengthy essays you have to go through and edit. So that will save your life. Buy them. Okay, let's come to my favorite part. Now all of these I bought like about 5 months ago. They're still going strong, but because they're important, I'm gonna show them to you guys. Firstly, I have these pack of Stabilo 0.88 mini fine 0.4 color pens. This is the lavender color that I'm showing to you guys. And then pretty basic 6 highlighters, which are going strong, and they're the best highlighters I've used so far. They're better than the Faber-Castell or any other brand. They're the Stabilo original highlighters, and I have them in like 6 colors, and I like color coding all my subjects by notebooks, their colors and shades in my calendar and in my planner and my sticky notes and all of that. And if you don't buy anything else, buy these. Buy these highlighters. They will save you. And they will make you this. This box filled with like ribbons and different colored ribbons and like different colored tapes with different size tapes with like, I don't know, designer tapes, sparkly tapes, and a lot of tapes. Basically, I used this a lot when I was in school, in high school, for making like charts and diagrams and stuff. In college, not so much. Like I haven't touched this box in like the past 6 months. But I guess for all the colorful people out there, these kind of things, this is what, color pencils? Yeah, these kind of things will go strong. And also, if you're a mathy person, then a GDC, yes. Oh, it says low batteries, please replace. Yep, I haven't charged this in 2 years. I did not charge this my whole time at IB. Well, I didn't use it this semester. Hopefully I don't have to use it in the future. And then just some like pouches to carry your stuff, and I think that's pretty much it. I have a lot of junk and a lot of stationery that I could talk about, but these are pretty much the essentials that I guess you guys can buy and you guys should have, when you're going and starting a new semester at school, high school, university, or even like career. Like I'm sure like highlighters and planners are, and folders and like books and journals are good for everyone. I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, share, subscribe, the whole shebang if you guys want to. I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye. And I am unable to put this back. Why? Okay, I think I got it. Okay. Oh, okay. No, okay, no. Yeah.